Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Annie Artistry, and I'm back with another lit video. Makeup transformation on the beautiful Roots preparation for her birthday glam. So guys, I hope you love this video. Watch from beginning to end and you'll learn a lot. Make sure to hit the subscribe button below. Give this video a thumbs up, like, share, and drop a comment in the comment section below. And also turn on your post notification to get an alarm whenever I post a new video. Thanks guys. So guys, to start off a little, I'm using the Nano Mist spray from Noella Cosmetics. I got this from them. So it's just use of water and the mist. Next up, I'll be using the vitamin C serum from Adventure Cosmetics or Adventure Makeup. So serum is also used to add more hydration to a dry skinned person. Yeah, she has a dry skin, so I use that to further hydrate her skin before I'll be going in with my Blossom cream moisturizer. I love this so much. It does the magic for me.
Artlist.io.
So yeah, I'll be going in with the Mismatic sunscreen SPF 50 plus. This is also very necessary for clients who is stepping out or will be out all day. Very necessary. You don't want to get sunburns on your skin because of using makeup. So next up, I'm using the Mismatic Power Seal and Cotton Pad, both from Mismatic. Yeah, the cotton pad, it allows your Power Seal or sweat plug to settle on the skin perfectly. So you just add that and apply on the skin. You need to dab or focus on areas where your client or model sweats a lot.
Music licensing reimagined.
Okay, so I'm going in with the Bicham Ageless Ideal Facial Mist. This is a perfect duo for Mario Badescu. It's a facial spray, settles in your skin work perfectly. So to prime, I'm using first the Ezekiel Pore Minimizer Primer. It's also a hydrating primer, so just to add a little hydration to her skin before I will go in later with the mattifying primer.
Artlist.io.
So this is the V Beauty Stay
Music
Matte
licensing
Primer.
reimagined.
The mattifying primer. I use it because I want the makeup to last longer. Next up, to set all that I've applied, I'm using the Kiss Beauty Fix and Spray. Yeah, so this is the Jadris foundation in mahogany and chocolate. Also Nivan Beauty foundation brush, very fluffy. I'm adding my mahogany first.
Music licensing reimagined.
So now I'm taking the chocolate to add on top of the mahogany I applied, and I'll blend all properly with my brush.
Artlist.io.
So
Music
to properly
licensing
blend the
reimagined.
foundation, I'm using the Ega and Esther Beauty Blender for a perfect blend.
Artlist.io.
Now this is the Bicham Ageless Concealer in Cool Tan. This concealer is so creamy and it pops very well. Like I just couldn't stop loving this look because it gave me everything I wanted.
Music licensing reimagined.
So just make sure to blend properly so that there are no harsh lines and the concealer sinks into the skin, as you can see, looking flawless and yummy. Next up, I'm using the Ezekiel concealer and Ezekiel Coffee to do a cream contour. Very serious, man.
Music licensing reimagined.
Okay, so now I'll be using the Bicham lip palette. This is a creamy lip palette, guys. You do not want to really miss this out. It also serves as, replica for blush. Damn, it's giving, guys.
Music licensing reimagined.
Okay, so now we're going again under the eyes with the Ezekiel concealer in creamy ivory. This is also a lovely brand. So yeah, we're just applying our concealer to the areas that are needed.
Artlist.io.
So yeah, this is the after effect of both concealers and blush on the face, guys. Then the face is really giving. The skin is skimming.
Artlist.io.
So this is the Viange setting powder in ivory. It's a colorless setting powder. It's used in setting, your highlighted areas. So this is what I'm doing with it. You just need to take a bit of it, dust off, and push in properly to sit well. So moving on, we're about to set the whole face with the V-Beauty's powder palette and powder brush from Tease Cosmetics. So I'm going in with the dark shades for us to set her face. It's a facial expression for me. Baby girl has not experienced this. So now we want to blush up with the Blossom Nefertiti palette. And I'll be using the pink blush from the palette.
Artlist.io.
So time for the brows, and I'll be using the Hagan Estide brow pomade in Dubai. So I'm just taking my tiny brush with the tip of the product on my hand, back of my arm rather.
Reimagined. Artlist.io.
Okay, so now I want to use the Mesmetic pencil to do like a little hair strokes in front.
Music licensing reimagined.
Okay, hey. A baby girl, already shade is glowing. Now we aren't done yet with this look, guys. So stay tuned to watch till the very end. You're gonna love it. So we want to pop our eyes with the Ben 9 Clan white base. Yes.
Music licensing reimagined.
Okay, so now we wanna do the eyes with the gorgeous mini palette. So yes, I'm starting off with the transition color, which is the light brown shade. Yeah, I'm gonna apply that to her crease area. Okay guys, so we're done with the eyes, keeping it all nude and classy. So now we're going to do our under eyes with Polar Beauty Pencil. Yes, this is a beauty pencil I got as a gift from Beauty Peach Africa.
Music licensing reimagined.
So I'm about to spice things up by doing a graphic liner with the Revolution lip gloss. Yes guys, there's also a gift from the Beauty Peach Africa contest. Yay! So I'm taking a tiny brush and tiny amount of the lip stain, and I'm just gonna outline the edge of her crease and draw what I want to do.
Music licensing reimagined.
Take a sneak peek, guys. Yeah, this is it. I also used a graphic liner in purple to outline on top of the pink. Get this is given, man. So I want to outline her lashes and lash out with Zaron's XOXO. Also a gift from Beauty Peach Africa. That gift box was just amazing. Thank you, Makeup Fair series. Oh yeah, now check out this lash. It's already given. Yo, so this is the Zaron XOXO Sculpt Wiz. Also another gift from my beauty box of Beauty Peach Africa alongside the Makeup Fest series. I love you guys so much. Then this is also like a review of all the products I got. Yeah, so stay with me guys on this. So I'm just using the light shade right there to sculpt and highlight her under eyes, while I'm using the dark shade to, define her face. That's like the contour. So for lashes, I'm going with the Zen Beauty lash palette, and I'm going using the ETR Cosmetics lash glue. So you need to first check out the size of the lashes with your clients or model's eyes before applying lash glue and attaching to the lashes. That feeling you get when you know your beat is already coming out real and classy. So gently place your lash, on the lash line, directly in the lash line, close to your eyeliner. Check out those eyes. So for our lips, we'll be using the Bicham Ageless Lip Palette again, and I'll be going in with, the Marlboro Lip Pencil first to outline her lip. So to finally blend all our makeup in using the Bicham Ageless Powder Palette. Next to highlight, I'm using the highlighter palette, Blossom Nefertiti palette. Yes, the glow from this is also really nice. I also want to add some more, and I'm doing the V Beauty Loose highlighter in Gold Digger. This is hot, hot, hot. You really need to be careful and precise when applying your loose glitter. So dust off before application because it can be too much if you don't dust off. A little goes a long way. Okay guys, so I'm spraying with the Nubound Beauty Sealit Setting Spray, and I have to dry that first, and we're done with this look guys. Isn't this lovely and gorgeous? Oh my god. Hey baby's already happy. She's ready to give a ginger. So thank you guys for watching, staying tuned and glued to this space. I hope to see you next time on my channel. Please subscribe. See you guys. Bye.